If you would like to see how I incorporated the Melanin Twist Elongating Style Cream into this flat twist out style, then keep watching. I'm going to begin in the back. My hair is already co-washed, deep conditioned, and I've already added a leave-in conditioner. And so now I'm parting my hair, preparing for the flat twist. Some things about this product. This product is the baby of old-time YouTuber Natural85, Whitney. And this is the Melanin Twist Elongated Style Cream. This is made with shea butter and natural oils. And it's supposed to give long-lasting definition. It has no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no formaldehydes, no phthalates. And if you know Natural85, then you should already know that this product will be natural. And so far, so good. I'm liking the way that it is defining my curls. And just want to go over the ingredient list real quick. First thing is water, shea butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, grapeseed oil, sesame seed oil, aloe vera leaf juice, avocado oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba seed oil, argan oil, olive oil, and vitamin E. So those are some of the main ingredients that are in this product. And I really like the way that it feels. So I'm going to continue working it through my hair. I completed one flat twist. Now I'm going to work on the second flat twist in the back. And she did say that the product was buildable, so you can start off with a little bit and then add as much as needed. And this is the part of the flat twist process that becomes a struggle. For some reason, I'm more comfortable putting my hair in cornrows in the back than flat twists. I added a little bit more water to give more slip. For one split second, I did think about putting my hair in cornrows in the back. I mean, not that anyone's going to really pay attention to the back of my head, but I decided to stick it out, and I continue with the flat twist in the back middle. The outer bottom parts is not a problem, but when I get to the middle part, yeah, that's where my flat twist skills really come into question. But I got it done, and I add a little bit more for the end to finger coil. So, first impressions. I like this. I really like this. I like the way it feels on my hair. I like the way my curls reacted to the product. And one thing I'm most thankful for is that it has a light smell. When I first opened it, when I first started using it, I smelled a little bit more of the shea butter, but as I continued to use it, the cocoa butter scent started coming through. And it's a light scent, but you can tell that it's cocoa butter. And this is how much I use. I tend to be heavy-handed on my styling products, and this was no exception. I tried to scale it back a little bit, but there were some areas, particularly back here, up here, which is my 4B section, where I put a little extra, you know. So I wanted to make sure these curls back here pop because it can get a little bit fuzzy. So definitely got my ends together when, you know, it came time to finger coil them. Like, my hair was just snapping in formation. Boom, 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 boom. So, extra points for this. So now I am going to let it air dry for about an hour or so. And then what I'll probably do is pull out my blow dryer and the portable bonnet and sit underneath that for about an hour or so, because I want to take these down in the morning before I go to work, and I don't want to do it if my hair is still wet. I usually give my twist a couple of days before I take it down, so I want to be fair to this product and do the same thing. So I think I might be able to wrap my hair up tomorrow, and then that way I'll have an extra day for drying time, unless my hair is like absolutely dry by the time I wake up in the morning, but we'll see. Stay tuned. Okay, it's the next morning, and surprisingly my hair is dry. I wanted to sit underneath the dryer, but my dryer's broke. My blow dryer finally gave up the ghost, so I have to get another one. But yeah, my hair is fully dry, so now I'm going to put some oil in my hands, put it on my hair, and take it down. I won't film that because I'm getting ready for work and it's almost time for me to leave. So I'll be back later with my final thoughts on this product. So stay tuned. Okay, real quick, I'm back home from work. Did a check on my hair. Curl still holding it down. I usually keep my twist in anywhere from 2 to 4 days, but I decided this time to take my twist out immediately the next day to see how this product will hold up. And she held up. She held up. So I already know I keep my twist in 2 to 4 days. Definition gonna be even more sickening. And I'm already having plans of different hairstyles to use this product for. I already have a rod set in my head. Already have a wash and go in my head. I've seen videos of wash and goes using Melanin along with gel, and I need a gel for a wash and go. So I will incorporate this cream, put it underneath. But Natural 85, Whitney, congratulations, kudos to you. This product is very much needed in the hair care community. The price point, I'm not even mad. I'm not even mad at the $10. You wanna know why? I placed the order on a Monday morning, got an email Monday evening saying that it was being shipped, and it was delivered to me on Wednesday. 2 days. Sis, you earned that $10 shipping, and this bad boy is heavy. So I wasn't even surprised that the shipping was $10. But anyway, enough of me rambling, because I was getting late and I need to eat and get myself situated and wind down for the evening. So in short, recommendation, get it, get it, get it, get it, and use it, and you will enjoy it. Your hair will enjoy it. Your hair will thank you. So that's about it. And the next couple of videos after this, I will be featuring Melanin in either rod set or wash and go. I haven't figured it out yet, but the next few hairstyles that I feature will include Melanin. That's how much I like it. And just go get you some. Enough of me. I'm tired of talking, and I know you're tired of listening to me. Get you some. Bye.